In this tutorial, we will see that how can make PDF file in mobile in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So there are two methods to do it. For the first one, open your all apps and find Drive. Open it. It will open up like this. Then click on that plus icon that's showing right bottom side. And here, if you want to scan a paper or something, click on that scan button. Here, we will scan this paper. After scanning this, it will open up like this, where you will get these sum of options: crop, rotate, filter, and many more. If you want to use, you can simply use for your ease. Then click on that done button from right top side. Here, it will show you these two options of format. You can select here PDF. You can also rename it if you want and click on that upload button. It will start uploading as PDF. This was the first method. For the second method, first of all, you have to upload an image. To upload an image, again click on that plus icon and click upload. After selecting an image, open it. Then on the right upper side, you will see here these three dots. Click on it, and from here, if you scroll it down, you will get here this print option. Click on it and it will open up these type of specifications where you can change some of options like page color, orientation, and many more. Now to convert this image into PDF, click on that 3 button from right top side and select save as PDF, and here it is. Now this image is saved as PDF. That's it. So these were the two methods to make PDF file in mobile in just few steps.